everyone, welcome back to Clipping for Coupons with Allie. I am here today to share with you my CVS haul. This is for the week of April 21st through the 27th of 2019. All of the items that you see here today, I did do them all in one transaction, and I did come into this transaction with $33 in ECBs that I earned from my last minute part 2 CVS haul. Those deals ended yesterday, so I hope you guys were able to catch that video. It was last minute. I do apologize. I have not been feeling well, but I was able to earn $33. So I started today's haul with $33, but you guys, I only ended up using $16. So the first deal that I was super excited of is the Suavitel, the 33.8 fluid ounce. And this week they are on sale for $1.99 each. I went ahead and I picked up 2 of them, bringing my total to $3.98. I also had a $2 off 2 CRT that printed off last week, so I went ahead and used that. It dropped the total down to $1.98 or about 99 cents each, and that is a great price because these are regular price, a little over $3 at my regular store that I go to. So 99 cents, not bad at all, and I definitely could not pass that up. I like to use the Suavitel with the Persil laundry detergent. It seems to smell very nice. I also went ahead and I picked up the Garnier Whole Blends. This week, this is actually a freebie for me. I went ahead and I picked up one of the shampoos and one of the conditioners. I really like the Honey Treasures, so I picked that one up all the time. But these are on sale 2 for $7. When you buy 2 this week, you will get $3 back in ECBs. It is a limit of 1. You can take a look in the 4/7 Retail Me Not insert for some coupons, or you can look out for some tear pad coupons at your local CVS. Those tear pad coupons are $2 off 1. I went ahead and I used 2 of those coupons, and this actually ended up being a freebie for me. So if you use 2 of those $2 off 1 coupons, it will drop the total down to $3. So you'll pay that out of pocket, but then you'll get back $3 in ECBs, making both of them completely free. And remember, shampoos and conditioners do count towards the beauty club. So this is definitely a great deal to pick up this week. Also, I picked up the Suave. I picked up 2 of the conditioners this week. They are on sale 2 for $6. We all will be receiving a $2 instant coupon on 2 at the coupon center this week. So make sure you scan your CVS card before you start shopping. And as always, scan your card as many times as the system will allow. A ton of CRTs should print for you. Take a look in the 3/31 Retail Me Not insert for a coupon, $3 off 2. I do believe that that coupon does expire today, which is Sunday the 21st. So make sure you do this deal on Sunday if you can. Here is my breakdown. So they're 2 for $6. You'll use that $2 instant coupon at the red box. Pair that coupon up with the $3 off 2 coupon from the 3/31 Retail Me Not. You'll pay $1 out of pocket, so 50 cents each for Suave. That is not bad at all. The next deal that I did was on the Colgate products. I went ahead and I picked up 2 of the toothpaste, and I also picked up 2 of the Colgate Total mouthwash. These are the 500 milliliters. And the reason why I picked up 2 mouthwash and 2 toothpaste is because I had a CRT that printed, and the CRT was $3 off of a $15 Colgate purchase. And I could mix and match using that CRT. It was valid for toothpaste, mouthwash, and toothbrushes. So I just went ahead and I picked up 2 toothpaste and 2 of the Colgate. Here is the Colgate mouthwash in the flyer. So it is spend 10, get $5 back in ECBs. It is a limit of 2. And if you take a look in the 4/14 Smart Source insert, we do have $2 off 1 coupons. If you do not have those inserts, you can always look on the CVS app for a $1 coupon. Now remember, those app coupons will only apply to one item. They are a limit of one. So make sure you guys are picking up more than one coupon insert weekly. It is definitely going to pay off. And if you wanted to do this deal, you would just pick up 2 of them. At my store, they are regular price $5.49 each. So what you would do is you would pick up 2 of them, and that will total $10.98. Now for the toothpaste, they are on sale for $2.99 each. When you buy one, you will get $2 back in ECBs. It is a limit of 2 per card. So if you did not have any coupons, you would pay 99 cents each out of pocket. If you have any CRTs like I did, make sure you pair them up. So this is not a great deal if you do not have any coupons or CRTs. We never want to pay for toothpaste. We can always get it free. If not this week, maybe the week's coming. So what I did was I purchased 2 of those, and for the toothpaste, I had a $1 off 2 coupon that expired yesterday on 4/20. So you may or may not have that coupon. It was a regional coupon, so if you're looking through your coupon inserts, you may have gotten a 50 cents off 1 coupon, and if you did, just go ahead and use 2 of those, and you guys will be able to use that expired coupon pretty much all day on Sunday, and it does not beep. It goes through no problem at all. So here's my breakdown for the Colgate toothpaste, $5.98 for 2 of them. I used a $1 off 2 coupon, and that dropped the total down to $4.98, but then I got back $4 in ECBs. But that is not the final cost, because remember, we are pairing up the mouthwash deal to use our 3 off 15 CRT. So the mouthwash and the toothpaste total over $15 before coupons. That's how I can use this CRT. So I used 2 of the $2 off 1 coupons from the 4/14 Smart Source, giving me $4 in savings, dropping the total down to $3.98. But then I did get back $5 in ECBs, making all 4 of those completely free, plus a small money maker. So always look through your CRTs, and it is definitely going to help you save some money, especially if we can pair those up with any manufacturer coupons. They can either be from your coupon inserts or internet printables. It does not matter, as long as it is a manufacturer coupon and not a store coupon. The last deal that I picked up was on the Gatorade, and I kind of went back and forth a little bit because these are at Dollar Tree for $1, but this week at CVS, we can also get them for $1. So the deal on these is they're 2 for $3. When you spend $6, you will earn $2 back in ECBs. It is a limit of 1. So what you would do is you would want to pick up 4 of them, and that will get you to the $6 mark to earn the $2 back. So you'll pay the $6 out of pocket, or you can roll your ECBs, and then you'll get back that $2 ECB, so that makes these just $1 each. So not a bad deal. I did pick it up because I had a ton of ECBs, like I said, from yesterday, and I went ahead and just picked it up, and it saved me a little bit of gas going to CVS rather than Dollar Tree. I was there anyways. So that is it for my CVS haul this week. I was going to pick up some of these Schick razors, but none of them were tagged, or maybe they're just not included. So I'm going to pass on the razors this week. But if I do go back to CVS again, I will definitely let you guys know. And let's just take a quick second look at all of my breakdowns. Feel free to screenshot if you would like and bring me in the store with you. I do not do any printable documents, so do not look in the description box for that. When I first started couponing, I learned the old school way. Writing these deals out helps you remember when you go into the store. So feel free to screenshot if you would like. I always screenshot my own deals as well. It does make it a little bit easier, and you don't have to bring any papers other than your coupons into the store with you. Here is my receipt for this week. Let me know if you guys have any questions at all. And I was going to break this up into a smaller transaction, but it actually worked out just fine today. The manager did ring me out, and I was a little nervous because sometimes he's a little stickler, but no problems at all. I also checked my email on Thursdays. I hope you guys are watching my reminder videos. I did receive in my email a coupon, $5 off of a $10 purchase or more. So I went ahead and I used that. Now, some of you may be asking, how did you use the 5 off 10 emailed coupon and the 3 off 15 Colgate coupon? My total equaled over the mark of $25. So $10 plus $15 is $25. And when the cashier rang all of this up, it equaled $40. So that's how both of those coupons went through. And also the other CRTs for the Suavitel and the Ajax. I didn't get the Ajax, but that is also included as well. And I rolled $16 in ECBs, $10 in ECBs, and that $6 beauty buck that I earned. I paid absolutely nothing out of pocket, but then I did get back $14 in ECBs. So I did end up paying or losing some ECBs, $2, but I am not complaining. I will be receiving some beauty bucks back for these items anyways. If it is not on Tuesday, maybe for next week's haul. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please be sure to like, share, and comment. Subscribe if you haven't already. And don't forget to click that notification button so you do not miss out on a single video.